Presenting the Redmi Note 11 Pro. It comes in color options of Phantom White, Stealth Black, and Star Blue. The phone has display of 6.67 inches Full HD+, plus 120Hz AMOLED display. The phone also has 1200 nits peak brightness, Corning Gorilla Glass 5 and 360Hz touch sampling. Crystal clear clarity and all scenarios. It has 2MP macro, 2MP depth sensor and 8MP ultra-wide sensor. Flagship 108MP HM2 sensor, quad camera setup and 108MP camera. It has immersive picture quality and best images, flawless photography and smooth day-to-day performance. It comes with massive 5000 mAh battery to 50%. It is powered by liquid-cooled technology and powerful MediaTek Helio G96 SoC. It also features X-axis linear vibration motor, 108MP HM2 primary sensor, 8MP ultra-wide, 2MP macro sensor, 2MP depth sensor, video recording support up to 1080p at 30fps, slow motion support, short video, panorama, document mode, time-lapse, long exposure, movie frame, pro color mode, timed burst, pro mode, night mode and Corning Gorilla Glass 5 protection. IR blaster and 3.5mm jack.